This is not your ordinary moss wall art. This is actually live moss. We're the only company in the world to use 100% living moss as a certified and patent pending air filter and stress relief device that doubles as a really aesthetically pleasing, stunning decor piece and conversation piece for your clients and your guests. And this is going to be in a water park called Big Dam Water Park in Arkansas. So we're going to be shipping it out from Rhode Island to Arkansas. And this is going to be a beautiful selfie wall for the guests at the Big Dam Water Park. And every square foot of this 36 square foot wall is capturing 300,000 ppm of CO2 and millions of pollutant particles, including anything that causes allergies such as dust, pet dander, wildfire smoke, anything out in the air, toxic gases, nitric oxide, sulfur oxide, particulate matter, metals, bacteria, viruses. I designed this and engineered this from scratch to capture these pollutants in the air as its food source and keep itself alive. But as you can see, the moss is sitting in our science right now. There's a multi-layered air filter along with nutrients that we add in here. I have 20 years experience in biology and engineering, so I created the product design, and we're the only company in the world to do this. And the reason why I wanted it to look so cool and have a 3D effect, as you can see, we have our own 3D aesthetic that's unique and custom to Moss Pure. I wanted Moss Pure not to look like a scientific device despite all the science that I put into it. I wanted it to look really, really cool and just have people be like, whoa, what is this? And yeah, I mean, it is real moss. This is not the fake stuff that you see out and about or on the internet. This is live moss. It's nice and fluffy and bumpy and has a really, really cool design. So we're letting it sit within the design right now. There's different species of moss being used, and we're going to ship this out pretty soon.